HELA 9005 High-Performance Bulb. The HELA 9005 2.0 terabytes. Twin Blister Kit High-Performance Bulb is an exceptional product that delivers outstanding performance, reliability, and durability. As an experienced product marketing expert, I have had the opportunity to test and evaluate numerous bulbs, and I must say that the HELA 9005 2.0 terabytes stands out from the competition. One of the key features of this bulb is its high performance. With a voltage rating of 12 volts, it delivers a bright and clear light that enhances visibility on the road. Whether you are driving in urban areas or on poorly lit highways, this bulb ensures that you can see and be seen, thereby enhancing overall safety. Another important aspect of the HELA 9005 2.0 terabytes is its reliability. Equipped with mirror lighting type automotive exterior headlight bulbs, this bulb provides consistent and dependable lighting performance.